before, ago, earlier, previously, four words that all talk about the past, but do you always know which one to use and when? Most people use these four words randomly, thinking they all mean the same thing, but each one has a very specific meaning and a very specific way it is used, and today we master all four. So let's begin. After this video, you will use these four words correctly and precisely every single time. Before we dive in, here is the big picture. Each word relates to the past differently. Ago measures time from now. Before connects to events. Earlier means earlier in the same period. Previously means a formal way of saying at a prior time. This is Priya. She is at her office, and over the course of this afternoon, she is going to naturally use all four of our words in real conversations. Listen carefully and notice how each one works. Priya tells the caller, "The meeting finished 2 hours ago." She is measuring the distance from now backwards to a specific past event. This is ago. Ago means a specific amount of time before now, measured backwards from the present moment. I arrived 2 hours ago. She left 3 days ago. It always comes after the time expression and always uses the simple past tense. The project started 3 weeks ago. I sent the email an hour ago. I joined this company 6 months ago. That meeting ended 20 minutes ago. Notice, ago always comes after a specific time measurement. Very common mistake. Never use ago with the present perfect, have or has. Wrong. I have arrived 2 hours ago. Correct. I arrived 2 hours ago. Ago always goes with simple past. Arrived, left, finished, never with have or has. Priya explains to her team, "We need to finish the design before we start the development." She is connecting two events, one happening earlier than the other. This is before. Before means at an earlier time than something else. It connects two events, one happening earlier than the other. It is very flexible and can be used with any tense. Always back up before you update. I had never used this software before joining here. We need approval before we proceed. Call me before you leave. Notice before always connects two events. Ago measures from now backwards, 2 hours ago. Before connects two events, before I arrived. Ago needs a specific time measurement. Before needs two events to connect. Very different purposes. Priya tells her colleague, "As I mentioned earlier, the client called this morning." She is referring to something that happened in the same day or the same general context. This is earlier. Earlier refers to a prior time within the same context or period. Earlier today, earlier in this meeting, earlier this year. It does not need a specific time measurement, just a shared period. As earlier discussed, I saw the report earlier this morning. Earlier in the call, you mentioned a delay. I already answered that earlier today. Notice, earlier always works within a shared context. As Priya writes her formal business report, she uses a different word altogether. The team had previously identified this issue. Formal, professional, precise. This is previously. Previously means at a former time on a prior occasion. It carries a formal and professional tone, most naturally at home in written reports, official statements, and professional communication. As previously mentioned in the report, this issue was previously flagged. She previously held the position of senior manager, previously agreed terms, all formal, all professional, all written or official contexts. Before and previously both mean at an earlier time, but before is flexible and casual. Previously is formal and professional. I've seen this before, casual. This was previously addressed, formal report language. Same idea, completely different tones. Here's the complete comparison table. Ago measures from now, simple past. Before connects to events, flexible tense. Earlier, earlier in the same day, meeting, or shared context. No specific time measurement needed, just a shared period. Previously, formal and professional, at a prior occasion. Quick practice. Fill in the correct word. Ago, before, earlier, or previously. Pause the video if you want to try. Card 1. 3 years ago. Measuring backwards from now. Simple past. Card 2. Before you submit. 2 events connected. Card 3. As I mentioned earlier. Same day context. Card 4. Previously agreed. Formal professional language. Here's your memory tip. Ago, go backwards from now. Before, 2 events, one earlier than the other. Earlier, earlier in the same day, meeting, or shared context. No specific time measurement needed, just a shared period. Previously, formal and professional, at a prior time. Most naturally used in written reports, official statements, and professional communication. So next time you talk or write about the past, think carefully. Are you measuring from now? Use ago. Connecting to events? Use before. Referring to earlier in the same context? Use earlier. Writing formally? Use previously. The right word makes your English precise and powerful. Write a sentence using ago, before, earlier, or previously in the comments below, and we will tell you if you used it correctly. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.